Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the best gadgets on Amazon. From must-haves to hidden gems, we're exploring the top-rated tech you need to know about. Let's get started. Now let's discuss a useful tool. Installing cabinet hinges can be a real headache, but this jig makes it surprisingly easy. No more guesswork. The drill guide, with its sturdy metal bushing, locks securely into the jig, guaranteeing a perfectly straight hinge cup hole every time. Plus, built-in guide bushings let you pre-drill pilot holes in 4 common locations, ensuring your hinges are aligned and your doors close smoothly. They even include the 1/16-inch drill bit for these pilot holes, a nice touch. Setting the cup hole depth is a breeze too. The included 35mm drill bit has built-in depth setting fixtures on both sides of the jig, so you get consistent, accurate holes. And here's a clever feature. The hinge marking guide detaches from the bottom of the jig, allowing you to easily transfer and mark center lines and hinge locations onto the cabinet wall or frame. This jig takes the frustration out of hinge installation and delivers professional-looking results. Keeping your knives razor sharp can be a chore, but the WorkSharp sharpening system makes it easy. This sharpener offers guided sharpening at 20 or 25 degrees, or you can remove the guides for freehand sharpening. It uses a clever 3-sided abrasive system with coarse and fine diamond plates to quickly restore dull edges, and a fine ceramic stone for that extra sharp finish. What's really cool is how the abrasive follows the curve of the blade, ensuring consistent contact and excellent results. You can even lock it to create a rigid surface for sharpening other tools. Need different angles? Optional 15 and 17-degree guides are available. Plus, replacement abrasives mean this sharpener is built to last. WorkSharp stands behind their products with a solid warranty. If you value sharp knives and quality tools, this is worth checking out. Need to secure some serious cargo? This tie-down kit is a beast. It comes with 4 heavy-duty 1.5 by 10 ratchet straps, shooks, comfortable handles, and 4 1.58 by 17-inch soft loops, all packed in a handy storage bag. Forget flimsy straps, this combo is built for strength. It can safely handle loads up to 1,466 pounds with a whopping 4,400-pound brake strength. That's serious peace of mind. The straps feature padded buckles for quick tightening and release, and the soft loops are perfect for protecting handlebars or other delicate surfaces from scratches. The premium stainless steel safety latches attach securely to various anchor points without causing any damage or rust. Whether you're hauling motorcycles, ATVs, jet skis, lumber, or sports gear, these universal tie-downs have you covered. They're strong, reliable, and easy to use, a must-have for anyone who needs to secure heavy loads. Installing cabinet drawers can be a real headache, but this jig makes it surprisingly easy. What I really appreciate are the alignment fences and tabs. They ensure the jig sits perfectly on both framed and frameless cabinets, taking the guesswork out of placement. The large clamping area provides a super secure grip. A clever feature is how you can reverse the jig and face it outwards to support the drawer while attaching the slides. It's a simple but brilliant design that makes the whole process much smoother. Plus, the built-in level is a lifesaver, quickly showing if your cabinets are installed correctly. And they've thought of the details too. There are 8 anti-marring pads on each side of the jigs. These prevent any scratches or damage to your precious cabinets. Overall, this jig is a well-designed tool that makes drawer installation much less stressful. Moving heavy furniture can be a nightmare, but this upgraded furniture dolly set makes it surprisingly easy. These aren't your average dollies. They're built with thick carbon steel, so they won't bend or break under heavy loads. The reinforced base and wide, quiet rubber wheels glide smoothly across floors without leaving marks. The longer pry bar gives you extra leverage, making lifting even bulky items a breeze. Smart design features really set this set apart. The pry bar has optional rubber grips to prevent slipping and protect your furniture. The dollies themselves have velvet non-slip pads to keep items secure during transport. These dollies also have a larger load-bearing panel and a fifth wheel for added stability. The L-shaped edges help keep furniture from sliding off, and the locking switches keep the dollies in place when needed. Plus, the handle has a built-in hook to protect your fingers. So click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your life. Moving heavy furniture can be a nightmare, but this upgraded furniture dolly set makes it surprisingly easy. These aren't your average dollies. They're built with thick carbon steel, so they won't bend or break under heavy loads. The reinforced base and wide, quiet rubber wheels glide smoothly across floors without leaving marks. The longer pry bar gives you extra leverage, making lifting even bulky items a breeze. Smart design features really set this set apart. The pry bar has optional rubber grips to prevent slipping and protect your furniture. The dollies themselves have velvet non-slip pads to keep items secure during transport. These dollies also have a larger load-bearing panel and a fifth wheel for added stability. The L-shaped edges help keep furniture from sliding off, and the locking switches keep the dollies in place when needed. Plus, the handle has a built-in hook to protect your fingers. So click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your life. Looking for a pocket hole jig that's built to last? The Milescraft jig is a serious upgrade from flimsy plastic models. Its all-metal construction, featuring a strong corrosion-resistant aluminum body, is noticeably more durable. Plus, it's lightweight and dissipates heat quickly. This kit comes with everything you need: a 2-in-1 jig, a long 3/8-inch HSS step drill bit, an Allen wrench, depth stop, 2 square driver bits, wood plugs, and a variety of coarse screws, plus a clear instruction manual. The adjustable spacing is a great feature. And the dual drill guides can be separated for use on narrow boards, which is super handy. Pocket hole joinery is a fast and easy way to build cabinets, furniture, frames, and more. You can join pieces in just about any configuration, edge to edge, end to face, mitered, making it incredibly versatile. A tool that makes hanging your pictures easier and more convenient. Forget measuring and remeasuring. The Go Hang It tool takes all the guesswork out of hanging sawtooth or wire-backed frames. This clever gadget makes it super easy to get perfect placement every time. Perfect for everything from wedding photos and housewarming gifts to DIY projects. The Go Hang It is a must-have for anyone who wants to hang pictures quickly and accurately. Its patented magnetic keys hold their position perfectly while you mark the spot. They work with sawtooth hangers, drings, and even help position pictures with wire backs. Using it is a breeze. Just position the tool and your frame, then use the included push pin to mark exactly where your nail needs to go. The built-in level ensures your pictures hang straight as an arrow. Plus, it comes with a handy hardware case stocked with everything you need to get started, with extra room for additional supplies. Say goodbye to crooked pictures and hello to perfectly hung art with the Go Hang It. Looking to get a razor-sharp edge on your blades? This diamond whetstone sharpening kit is seriously impressive. It comes with 3 diamond stones featuring a unique diamond pattern for efficient sharpening. Plus, you get 3 magnetic leather straps, making polishing a breeze. What sets this kit apart is the attention to detail. The sharpening surface is incredibly flat, providing consistent results. You also get 3 polishing compounds to achieve a mirror finish. The massive 66 square inches of sharpening surface is great for larger blades. The kit includes a tough canvas case for storage and even a retro aluminum bottle of synthetic lapping fluid with a fine spray nozzle. This complete package gives you everything you need for professional level sharpening. If you're serious about keeping your knives in top condition, this kit is a worthwhile investment. So click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your life. If you struggle with hand pain or arthritis, finding the right gardening tools can be a real challenge. These micro-tip snips are a lifesaver. The comfortable grip handles are designed to reduce hand fatigue, making even long gardening sessions a breeze. No more aching hands or wrists. These snips boast sharp, stainless steel blades that make quick work of deadheading, trimming, and shaping. Safety is key, and these snips feature a secure, sideways locking mechanism to keep the blades closed when not in use. Plus, the ambidextrous design makes them perfect for both right and left-handed gardeners. The micro-tip design allows for precise cuts, letting you snip exactly what you need without damaging surrounding stems or branches. Perfect for getting into tight spaces. Remember to clean the blades after each use to keep them in top condition. These versatile snips aren't just for gardening. They're handy for cutting paper, opening boxes, and all sorts of other tasks around the house. Looking for a reliable circular saw that won't break your back? The DEWALT 7¼ model is surprisingly lightweight at just 8.8 pounds, making it easy to maneuver for extended periods. But don't let the weight fool you. This thing packs a punch. The 15-amp motor handles even the toughest jobs with ease. Safety is key, and the electric brake stops the blade quickly after you release the trigger. The saw also offers a 57-degree bevel capacity, with stops at 45 and 22.5 degrees for versatile cutting. It cuts up to 2 9/16 inches deep, perfect for most common tasks. Built for tough conditions, the ball-bearing lower guard ensures long life, and the smooth aluminum base provides accurate cuts every time. The lower guard design is also improved for better bevel cutting and handling shims. A built-in dust blower keeps your cut line clear, and DEWALT's patented tough cord system offers excellent protection against cord pull-out. If you need a powerful yet portable circular saw, this DEWALT is definitely worth considering.